Hey guys, Randy with Pete's RV TV here today. I'm going to talk about something today that may seem a little bit funny, but we get lots of questions and I want to make sure that you guys know how to do it appropriately. So how to lock your RV door, right? So RV doors, unlike most doors, have two locks on them. And so the top lock is actually going to be the handle lock. And that is going to be probably the primary one that we see a lot of people lock. And if you're bringing it in for service, most RV service departments will have a master key where they can unlock your unit even if it's locked from the top lock on the handle lock. And so that's the one we'll like you to use. And again, that's just a handle lock, keeps that from going. This one here is for your protection. This guy here is actually the deadbolt. So the bottom one is going to be your deadbolt. Your RV dealer and your RV technician typically do not have keys to that, so that one is for your safety. I do recommend, if you are going down the road or transporting your RV, that you close it appropriately, do lock the deadbolt. That way, if anything happens, that deadbolt is going to keep that door from coming open during transport. So top lock is going to be the handle. That's going to be your service lock, and the one that you use primarily for your safety and make sure that no one gets in when you don't want them in, use that deadbolt right there. Thanks for thinking Pete's RV TV with Randy today. I look forward to seeing you on the road. Happy camping.